Hello again, welcome back. I'm now going to continue looking at Unit 313 or 613 continues. Now, we are going to look at outcome 3, okay? And here we have students should be able to coordinate liaison with other relevant persons during work activities, okay? Now, a lot of this you can read for yourself, so you don't need me to be reading this out to you. But what you need to be aware of is that you would have covered some of this already in certain parts, so use the information that you have already acquired. Reference it to the new section. Do not use it as it stands. It would not be relevant or appropriate. Okay? And here, all I'm doing is taking you up a little bit further. Okay? Now, again, you can read this for yourselves. Again, you don't need me to be reading this through to you. Okay? It's for your purpose. Now, you are doing this on a daily basis, so use the information that you have acquired on a daily basis. Make it work for you. Record it. Okay? Now again, remember that your site supervisor can also carry out an observation or a witness testimony. Make sure it is properly written and signed appropriately by yourself and your supervisor. Okay? That will provide you with adequate evidence that you have worked where you say you have worked and that you have done certain elements to meet the criteria. Now again, here we're looking at 3.2. Okay, the learner can apply communication techniques that are clear, accurate, and appropriate to the situation. Again, record the situation that you're talking about. You are in those situations every day. They're not new. You don't need to invent them. They're already around you. Use them to your best advantage. Okay? And all I've done here is to say if you are installing a new installation, you will need a materials list, diagrams of the cable run provided by your supervisor, plus any additional information that you may need, okay, depending on the job you're on. Okay? Okay, that's it on this occasion. Let me just go back a little bit. Okay, thank you.